Kingston's Corner, the place to be. Kingston's Corner for you and me. Science,
learning,
so much fun. Kingston's Corner for everyone.
Let's do this. Welcome back to Kingston's Corner. Today I'm going to do an awesome experiment by the Discovery Channel. Be sure to thank them. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Let's do this. Whoa! Trying to get to 50 subscribers and likes. Do you think you guys can do it? If you can, you guys are awesome. Silver love too, so let's do this. For today's experiment, you need red dye, blue dye, yellow dye, and white snow. You need a half a cup of water. Let's do this thing. Add a 1/2 cup of water. Let's do this. We have to make a triangle to make it work. Now we're gonna add the snow. Let's do this. Wait, guys, I think it's working. Guys, look at that. Looks like a snow cone, but do not eat it. It can poison you. Let's go pour it out. Let's go. Thank you, Discovery Channel, for the awesome experiment. I love it. Thank you for watching Kingston's Corner. We'll be back. Silver love.